Welcome back to the shop. Long overdue. As you can see, we got the engine in. So the VG33's got ISCI cams. This thing is actually, we've already test fired it once. So we're running Microsquirt, as I showed before. We have a MAC valve here for running boost control. We have a fan relay tucked in right down here. I don't know if you can see it, but this guy here is for the fan, controlled by Microsquirt. We also have a secondary relay back here for our fuel pump. This green wire here is extra. That's going to be used in for the interior dash heater or heat indication. Since it's got the digital dash, we figured we might as well keep it functional as much as possible. So as you can see down here, hopefully, we have our bulkhead connector down there, tucked into the firewall. We also have a couple other connectors here and underneath. I don't know how well it depicts. We have our 3000 GT fuel rails. Everything's wired in, nice and loomed up. We also have a hard line back here looped around. Shave the side of the plenum, make it look all nice and clean. Since we don't have any sensors or anything over here, we just have a couple vacuum hoses. One's not connected. On this side of the intake, so it's not a big deal as far as having anything over here. So we just shaved it, make it nice and clean. Got all our hoses on there. That is a Maxima alternator mounted. Let's see here. Stock bracket, adjusted slightly. I think we had to trim a little bit down here to make it work correctly, but works nice. As she's coming along, intercooler piping done, blow-off valves done, stock turbo tucked down in there. So now's where all the excitement is. So we have our cast signal down here, coming out of the distributor. We're using a stock ignition system. It's already wired up, already works, we know it's good, proven to plenty of power. So why complicate it? So we got our map sensor, intake air temp, connected to the fitting right above it there on a block-off plate for the idle air control, since we're idling it through the throttle body. We have the automatic TPS on here, connector underneath it. We rewired everything for weather pack, make it nice and clean, easy. Had to get an aftermarket check valve because apparently we lost the original. But we're in the midst of putting the exhaust on it. We actually had to stop for a minute to test fit it, tried it out, and realize, oh, we need a O2 sensor bung in it, so we're going to add that in here shortly, and once that'll be on, it'll be good there. Also added a fuel pressure regulator gauge. There's the regulator itself. Had to do a little bit of modification on the fuel oil, but it works. Always like to look at these. Coilovers, 3000 and the 350Z track brakes. So very soon this will be purring to life and rumbling right along. So there's the intercooler piping there. Comes back through here. Just an overview video for anybody who might be interested. Any questions or concerns or anything, feel free to reach out and I'll answer anything I can help you with. So enjoy. Thank you.